In this video, we're going to be seeing how we can order integers, decimals, and fractions. Here I have a number line. It is ranging from -5 to 5. Let's have a look at a few rules. When we move this way to the right, the numbers are increasing. When we move this way to the left, the numbers are decreasing. So we can say that -1 is less than 1 since it's more to the left. We could also say that 2 is greater than 0 because it's more to the right. This question is asking us for which number is larger, 3 or 4. Obviously when we look at this question, we know that number 4 is going to be bigger. But let's prove this on the number line. Let's indicate 3 here and 4. Now we can tell that 4 is bigger than 3 because it is more to the right than 3. I've zoomed into one section of the number line. I'm going to be splitting this into 10 sections. Here you can see that each time we increase it's going up by 0.1. But why is this happening? This is between 1 unit, from 1 to 2. When we divide this by the number of sections we have split it up into, which is 10, we get 0.1. That's why each time it is increasing by 0.1. Now we can also represent this as a fraction, like this. Let's take this bit for example. 1.1 is equivalent to 1 and 1 over 10. So therefore it can be written in either way. Okay, let's have a look at this question. It's asking us to place 1.6 and 1.3 on the number line. It is worth 1 mark. Let's see how we can do this. First of all, we're going to number each of these. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 7, 1.8, and 1.9. Okay. Let's place 1.6 on the number line here. We can indicate it with a line. And let's place 1.3 on the number line. And we've indicated it there. A simple question. Now, I would like you to place 1.66 and 1.68 on the number line. Remember how we split each unit into sections. You will have 1 minute. Time's up. Let's see how we can do this. Now, since in our tenths column, make sure you watch our place value video by pressing the pop-up banner in the top right hand corner of your screen. We can see that both of them are in the 6th. So let's go straight to there. This is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 and 1.6. So we're working in this section here. Okay, let's split this up into 10 sections, since here we have the hundredths. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, No. This is very rough, however, if you have a ruler, you can do this more accurately. Okay, let's do the first one, 1.66. This will come approximately here. If we say that this is the midpoint way, it will come just after that, there. And 1.68 would come approximately here. If this is the 1.7 mark, 1.9 and then 1.8 will come approximately here. So our markings should look something like this. Okay, I would like you to try this question. Order the following in descending order. Remember that descending order means numbers from large to small. However, this time, instead of using a number line, I would like to use place value. You will have 3 minutes. Let's see how we can do this question. First of all, let's write our place values. Okay, for these type of questions, we have to split them into different sections based on the place value. We're going to be focusing on the tenths. So we have this, 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 and this. Which one of these has the largest tenths column? This has got 0, this has got 0, this has got 0, but this has 1. This is the largest one. So we can write 6.12. And we'll cross it out. Okay. Now let's go through it again. We're still carrying on the tenths column 3 times unless we have the same number. 0, 0, and 0. It's the same number, so we can skip this. Let's move on to the hundredths column. This, and this. Okay, we have 2 here, we have 0 here, and we have 5 here. This is the largest amongst the 3 of them. So we'll write this out. And we'll go again on the hundredths column. So we have 2 and 5. 2 is the biggest, so we can write that. Rule it out. This is our leftover, so we've got 6.005. This is how we would order it based on our place values. Okay, hopefully you are confident in ordering integers, decimals, and fractions. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.